Learn Japanese Dictionary Form. Hello, this is Kiki. こんにちは、キキです。Our team to learn Japanese ファティマさんです。佐藤さんです。Today, we are going to learn 何々前に V 前に and dictionary form. So we already learned how to make dictionary form and this is third video about dictionary form. And using dictionary form, we can say 何々前に which means before doing. Today's agenda, first introduction. I'm going to introduce the example of using 何々前に何々. Then, how to use conversation with Kiki sensei and Fatima-san, Sato-san. Then, phrases from Demon Slayer. So let's get started. First, introduction. So, first, I'm going to introduce noun plus の前に何々です。前 means before. For example, 給食です。School lunch. 手を洗います。Wash our hands. 給食の前に手を洗います。給食の前に手を洗います。So, 給食 this is noun. And then put no and 前に before. 手を洗います。手 means hand and 洗います is wash. In this sentence, we focus on 手を洗います。This is what I wanted to say. We learned 何々手何々。So, 手を洗って給食を食べます。何々手何々。So, in this case, first we wash our hands, then eat school lunch. So, describing this movement, wash our hands, eat school lunch, it's same. 何々の前に、給食の前に手を洗います。手を洗って給食を食べます。This movement is same. But when we use 何々の前に手を洗います、our focus point is here. So this is the main thing we wanted to say. Another example, we can put period before 前. For example, 1ヶ月前に日本に来ました。1ヶ月前に1ヶ月 means 1 month 前に before 日本に来ました。This is past tense. If before 前 if period before 前 we shouldn't put no. We don't need no. I don't know why, but we don't say no. We just say 1ヶ月前に日本に来ました。Then today's topic, dictionary form plus 前に何々です。寝る前に歯磨きをします。寝る前に歯磨きをします。So here this is dictionary form 寝る。Mass form is 寝ます。which is go to bed. 寝る前に歯磨きをします。歯磨き is brushing my teeth. 歯磨きをします。So, in this sentence, focus point is 歯磨きをします。We could say past tense. We just change the end of the sentence. In Japanese, past tense, we need to change the end of the sentence showing past and keep dictionary form as it is. For example, 昨日寝る前に電話しました。昨日寝る前に電話しました。So, 昨日 means yesterday, so it shows past as well. Then 寝る前に This is dictionary form. 寝る前に電話しました。It shows past tense. So even past tense, we just only use dictionary form. Here, this is the same. 昨日寝る前に電話しました。Second, how to use. Formal conversation. 国へ帰る前に何をしますか？家族にお土産を買います。そう、国へ帰る前に。today's topic and 帰る this is dictionary form means go back. 帰ります this is must form and this is group 1. So we change 帰り E line to 帰る U line. This is E and U. Then 帰る We already learned how to make dictionary forms in the previous videos. So if you don't know dictionary forms, please go to watch the videos and come back. Then 国へ to your country 何をしますか何 means what and しますか do and か shows question. Then Fatima-san answered 家族にお土産を買います家族に家族 means family にお土産 is souvenirs を買います買います means buy and souvenir you can also say 土産 but just and this o is something makes 土産 this is noun polite but I normally say お土産 so for female it's nice to just say お土産 casual conversation 来週インドネシアに帰るんやろそうそう帰る前にお土産買わなあかんわ忙しい旅行の前って忙しいやんな頑張れ So this is casual conversation Let's have a look 来週インドネシアに帰るんやろ来週 means next week and Indonesia is the country's name帰るんやろ This is Kansai dialect and this also we can see 帰る This is dictionary form of 帰ります So meaning is go back but normal Japanese we can say 帰るんですよね or 帰りますよね This is kind of confirming sentence but he is a guy and I said he's from Osaka so we talk like that and just ignore the end of the sentence this is just he added some spice then Fatima-san said so means yes and sometimes we say twice so then 帰る前にお土産買わなあかんわ忙しい帰る is dictionary form お土産 souvenirs 買わなあかんわ This is Kansai dialect and in Minano Nihongo we learned 買わなければなりません買わなければなりません So have to buy 何々なければなりません This is the grammar we learned in Minano Nihongo This is noun form プラスければなりません。But in Osaka, we say 買わなあかんわ。This is just easy for us to say. Then, 忙しい means busy. 佐藤さん、旅行の前って忙しいやんな。頑張れ。So, 旅行 means a trip. So, 旅行 is noun. So, you need to put no before 前. Then, he said で just in this case, it means about. You could say 旅行の前は忙しい。It's okay. Then, 忙しい means busy. And here, this Yanna, this is also Kansai dialect. And it shows I understand you. Kind of. Then, 頑張れ means good luck. Third, phrases from Demon Slayer. So, before I go to today's grammar, 何々の前に we will revise 何々てはいけません It means prohibition. So, 電車の中で通話をしてはいけません。電車の中で通話をしてはいけません It means do not make calls on train. 電車の中でタバコを吸ってはいけません。タバコを吸ってはいけません。Do not smoke. Then from Demon Slayer Episode 7, this Muzan, the demon, said 喋ってはいけない。私のことを誰にも喋ってはいけない。So he said いけない。This is our way to say 何々してはいけません。This is spoken language. Then 喋って This is 喋ります This is must form and it means tell. This is verb we use for spoken language. But if you want to speak more polite way, you use the verb 話します It means speak or tell. Then, today's topic from Demon Slayer Episode 4. When Tanjiro was first against this demon, he said こいつはこのままにしておいちゃいけない。こいつはこのままにしておいちゃいけない。So, こいつ in this case it means this guy. But this is description. This is kind of rude to say. And talking about this guy because this は so this is the subject. こいつはこのままにしておいちゃいけない。このまま literally means as it is. しておいちゃいけない。In another word, しておいてはいけません。So we learn 何々してはいけません。This is prohibition. So it means negative, right? And しておいて、しておきます is します means do and おきます is put or leave. And so it means I cannot just let this one go. So he have to do something. また新たな犠牲者が出る前に今ここで倒す。So this guy, this demon, he killed a lot of people. So that's why if Tanjiro let him alive, he will kill other innocent humans. So Tanjiro said, また新たな犠牲者が出る前に今ここで倒す。So today's topic 何々前に means before. また means again. 新たな in another easy Japanese we can say 新しい。新しい。This is e adjective and it means new. But this 新たな we use the same 漢字 but this is kind of a bit old-fashioned way, but we understand. 新たな犠牲者。犠牲者 means victim. 新たな犠牲者が出る。出る This is the dictionary form of 出ます。And if we translate the verb 出ます it means come out or appear, but in this case there will be victims. また新たな犠牲者が出る。前に before 今ここで倒す。今 means now and ここで means here and 倒す means bring him down. I'll repeat again. また新たな犠牲者が出る前に今ここで倒す。また新たな犠牲者が出る前に今ここで倒す。Thank you for watching. 見てくれてありがとう。